Good morning, gentle peeps. So I'm back to talk about another thing that I got this summer that I'm working on is getting my yard, like all these little patches, plus where the pool was before, getting that grass to grow. And so I'm doing some reseeding and some aerating and some fertilizer and feed. So we'll get that hopefully looking good. My garden back there looking good. And then, so what I bought was, I really like it, is this right here. So this is the CRAFTSMAN WC210 2-cycle 25cc horsepower weed eater. So made by CRAFTSMAN. I bought it at Lowe's, and so far this thing is a little awesome. It works really great for this little yard. The only thing that I thought I would have done different maybe is I might have got a little long shaft, because I am 6'3", and the short shaft makes it a little harder because I have to bend over a little bit more. So maybe next time, but for the price and everything that I wanted, this right here was a good buy. I definitely suggest it. If you go to Lowe's and look, again, the CRAFTSMAN WC210 2-cycle 25cc. Make sure to use 40.1 gas to oil, and I buy the TRUFUEL in the can. That's what I use. And I fill it up, and it actually lasts a long time. So definitely check out that weed eater and tell me what you think. Leave a comment, subscribe. Appreciate it. Thanks, bye. Just a little add-on. This is the TRUFUEL that I use. 40-to-1 mix. It's perfectly made for that weed eater. Again, thanks for watching.